Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. I wanted you guys to know that this is my thinking. Everybody can draw. My question is, can you draw a simple circle or a square or a rectangle? So if your answer was yes, you can draw that, and probably then my friend you can be a great fucking artist.
Today we will learn how to make these shapes and turn them into 3D. Why we are turning it into a 3D object is just simple, so we can look for three-dimensional shapes, and that is how it is in the real life, isn't it? So that's why we are going to make it in 3D. So 2D shapes are necessary, but you need to see those 2D shapes in 3 dimension also. This practice will allow you to make your character designs with speed and also accurately in the proportions. They will be accurate. Right now, as you can see, I am trying to carve a face from a box. So this is how you do it. You are thinking as a sculptor. You are not thinking as a painter, right? You are thinking as a sculptor. How will the light hit that part of the face? How will everything be when it is in reality? How are the planes on the shape working so that you are seeing a face? How are you seeing that face? A light is bouncing off a surface and coming back to your eye, right? That's how you see object. So what we are trying to do while we are sketching or drawing, or while we are painting values, whatever we are doing, we are just capturing that illusion of the light bouncing back. The intensity of light is going to be dim, and sometimes it's going to be very harsh according to the light source, right? So that's what we are going to capture. That's what we are going to capture in our line drawings also. We have to make sure that the line drawings are also following that same value which our light will follow in some time. So as you can see, I have carved a face out of a box, right? So this is how you can also carve out a human being out of this kind of box, or we can say cuboid or whatever. So this is a very good practice to do for young artists. Now what I'm trying to do is I have a pose in my mind, and I am trying to compose it on canvas. So I have a pose. I remember like what I'm trying to create is a girl walking towards something, but right now, as you can see, like I have captured the motion, and I was trying to figure out like where the hands will go. So it is very easy. Just when a human is walking, you have to observe every movement of the person. When a human is walking, let's say if the left foot is forward, his right hand will be backside. It will not come it will not be forward also. So it's very weird. When you are trying to figure this out, I suggest you do it yourself. You stand up and try to walk, and then try to memorize all that. So yeah, and I think I captured her like very nicely. So this is also a very good practice. I am trying to draw let's say a pose, and I am trying to draw it from different angles, I would say, like from ant's view and from the view of like this is the bird's view, right? I'm sorry, not the ant's view, it's the bird view. And now we'll pan our camera to the guy's shoulder, to the right side of the guy's shoulder, and as you can see, I have broken the silhouette, and I am trying to show his legs also, right? And that's how you practice poses. So, and this is a very fast technique of practicing, right? You should try to practice like this. Now here what I was trying to do is I was trying to get out of my art block. I am stuck in a lockdown. I am very very depressed right now. I would not say depressed, but I'm very like, let's say I'm not happy as the lockdown has progressed and I don't have a roommate and I'm stuck alone. This room don't even have a window. It doesn't even have a window. So yeah, just that's enough about me. So this is how I do my digital painting sometimes. Here I'm trying to capture two females who are working like they have their own like, what can I say, like a bar or whatever you call it, medieval times, that kind of thing is going on here. And they have their own bar, and this city has a lot of warriors and a lot of people who are like doing dungeons and all that. If you watch anime, you know where I'm going with this. So they have to be very strong because there are many people who are always trying to like dine and dash, or they will not pay for their food and all that. So these two ladies have come to get their money back from some goons in the night. So this scene was I was here capturing the essence of two very powerful ladies who have come to get what they deserve, like their money, right? So I was thinking about painting the mood. That's why I started with the black tones first. That helps me set the mood of the painting, right? So right now I'm trying to set the mood in the background. As you can see, the blues with the yellows, it's a very nice and juicy combination of those two colors. I really I love it. I really like it very much. So yeah, this was very sketchy kind of a digital painting, just done for this tutorial purposes. Like, you can draw anything, like you just need to have little bit basic knowledge and proper mentor, and yeah, you can learn like anything in just no time. It's not a matter of let's say it's not a God-given talent. Let me just add it right over here. It's not a God-given talent. You can hone that skill and you can do it. If you are thinking of quitting drawing, or if you are thinking you are not good enough, let me just say that's not true. Everyone can draw. This is me signing off, and yeah, please I hope you guys subscribe to the channel, and if you have watched until the end, please subscribe to the channel and catch me on Instagram also. The link is in the description.